tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up.
So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to revive your curly synthetic wigs. So this is a synthetic wig that I got from Janet Collection. I'll put all the link in the details below. But as you can see, the ends are like matted. The ends. Like this bit, the top bit is fine, kind of. It's still tangled, but you can see it's tangled. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to be trying to revive this hair because it's, oh wow, it's really nice, and I've worn it for like 3 weeks, I think. So yeah, it's kind of good for synthetic hair, but yeah, stay tuned. So the hair is in this bag. I'm not gonna lie, I fell asleep, so it's been in this bag for about 5 hours. But if I didn't fall asleep, I would have left it in for like an hour. So yeah, it's just conditioner on the hair, and then just placed it in this bag. So now I'm gonna rinse it out and then start to comb it and show you guys. So this is really wet, it's even dripping. So yeah, now I'm gonna comb it, brush it with a paddle brush. With this paddle brush, and just brush it out section by section.
Don't fight, I know you want me, so quit trying to deny it. I need you in my world, I ain't tucking right beside it. Easy, fast and quick, yeah, let's make this love legit, yeah. So deep, yeah, my love is so deep.
The curls are still there. So I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the, so basically I've detangled half of the head. So this side is still the frizzy side that needs to be combed out, and then this side is the side that I've combed out, brushed out. Let me hold up. I've done all of this. I feel like it even looks like a different curl pattern to how it normally is. But anyways, I've done all of this so I can go through it. So I've just got, where is it? So I've just got these two left. So these two are still tangled, so I need to comb that out. So I'm going to do that now, the last two, and then show you. Even though it's already wet, I do spray it with the spray bottle. Then So I brush from the ends and all the way up. I can't believe it worked. Like let me get that. See how it's still, but I'm not gonna lie, I need to cut the ends. I'm gonna cut the ends. So I'll pull it in a section, then I'm gonna spray the ends. So yeah guys, so these are the ends I'm gonna cut. This is just, I did the other side already but it didn't focus, so I'm gonna show you again on this side. So yeah, I'm just combing the hair. So can you see like his frizzy? Let me see if you guys can see. Both ends are cut, so you guys can see the ends. I wanted to show you guys, this is the amount of hair that shed when I was combing it, paddle brushing it when I was brushing it. I don't think it's that much. I think it's actually okay for the amount of hair. Yeah, this is it when it's wet guys, and it's been detangled. So all I have to do now is wait for it to dry, and then I'll wear it and show you guys how it looks. Conditioned, as you guys have seen, and it has been detangled and the ends have been cut. I think I need to cut some more here, but yeah, the ends have been cut. So this is how it looks. So all I have to do now is wait for it to dry, and then I'll wear it and show you guys. I'm really happy because it's like my fingers can go through it, and this is just conditioner and water. So hi guys, so this is the end of the video. So this is how the hair turned out. I think it turned out sick. Like the waves are still there. I even prefer it, and it's really nice. It's fluffy, it's not tangling. Like, so I left this to air dry overnight. So yeah, it was a long time. So yeah, overnight. And then yeah, this is how it looks. So if you guys have any questions, just pull it in the comment box and then I'll answer it. But yeah, it turned out really nice, and I'm happy that it turned out this good.